Look at this crazy puppy. She's only, what, 13 weeks old now, and she can't sail the pool. Come on, Bess. Look at her. She's so crazy. Look, we put the blue marker there so she can learn how to get out. So she knows where the steps are. Come on. There you go, girl. That's my baby girl. Oh, look at her. I hope I don't get my phone wet. Come on, Bess. Come on. Come on, pup. Look at, find the marker. Find the marker, girl. Yes. Yes, she's a good girl. Come on. Let's don't get my phone wet, puppy. Come on. Where's your Frisbee? Let's get the Frisbee. Come here. Here's your toy. Come on. Come on, Bess. Come on. Come on here. Come on. I know it's kind of hard to see you in the phone. Come here, girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh, look, you got my phone wet. Go. Good girl. Yes. She's a water dog. Come on, Bess. Yes, good girl. Come on. Come on, puppy. She's swimming. She's swimming. No, this way, girl. There you go. Look, the marker fell off.